So this is a replica of the Destiny module of the International Space Station, and that is the U.S. Science Lab in space. And the reason that we're showing that here is not just because it's a people attractor, but because there's a real purpose. Because in the real Destiny module of the space station, this box is mounted in the ceiling. It has two HPE Apollo 40 servers in there that were installed 530 days ago, and those servers are running 1 trillion transactions per second without interruption for 530 days. This is a test that we have set up together with NASA to steer us away from using specially hardened servers that take 10 years and $8 million a piece to build, and by definition are old technology by the time they're installed.
That's great, thank you.